Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Sat Shri Akal, Salam Alaikum. I'm very confident all of you guys are thriving in euphoria because so am I. And it's a beautiful day again, and we are connected. So, what are we talking today? Okay, let's first do the meditation, okay? Om Namah Shakti Shiva. 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 Hello, hello, hello. So, it's raining here every day and I feel so great. And today we are talking the most beautiful topic, which is counting our blessings. So we live in this beautiful heavenly planet, Mother Earth, and every day, everything that we experience here, the consequences are so beautiful, right? It's abundant. We have food, we have water, we have sunlight, we have stars, moonlight, humankind, animals, trees, birds, reptiles, seas, oceans, then trees, I counted trees, right? And humankind and all everything, right? We are surrounded by all the abundant energies, forces, entities, realities, experiences. And if you see in the material realm, especially internet, look, we are connecting through internet, baby. So internet, of course, the great wave, the generational success, and computers, mobiles, electronic devices, clouds, and then houses, offices, then gardens. This, what all we don't have, right? Food. I love food, man. I love food. So yeah, we are surrounded with all these wonderful things in this every day of our life, right? And then connections we have, like our friends, community, lover, family, children, and all of that, right? And our neighbors, kids, and pets around. Oh, I love pets. And so everything, right? Do we count our blessings every day? What, every morning and every afternoon and every evening and every night? What is our attitude? We want for cleansing ourselves, we want water. For drinking, for survival, for thriving, not survival, for everything we want water. Like, I have been just thinking, this just came to me yesterday to talk about it. Like, I however, like, I'm dust cleaning the house and I'm moving things and cleaning the house, cleaning old things and wardrobes and bags and everything. I was just thinking, anything you take, if it is, there is dust in anything, just water it. Just water, you clean it with water. If water was not there, what would have we done, right? We clean our body, we clean everything, our clothes, our food, our stuff, everything, right? And look, fire. If fire was not there, how would have cooked our food, right? And how would have cleansed the toxic energies? How would have burnt a lot of things to prepare a lot of materials, which we do. Think of soil. If there was no soil, how would have grown, cultivated food and everything, right? The plants, the flowers, and the food is coming from there. And just imagine and look at the air. If air was not there, what we would have breathed, how would have lived, right? Just imagine what all we are blessed with in this world, this heavenly space that we are living. And just think of the people, mankind. Wherever you go, you are so respected, so celebrated, so loved, so looked up to. People, either it's a negative energy or positive energy, at least they are investing on you. That's wonderful, right? If they are sending negative energies, it's just that their own lack of love or lack of self awareness. It's not an intention to hurt anyone, right? Just imagine we are so surrounded with all the blessings. When I wake up, this birds come to my windows, my doors, balconies, they sing songs, they're chirping, they're talking, they're looking at me, they're peeping at my door. And people come clean the corridors, your houses, your everything, right? So we're so blessed, man. Food is just outside. You go get it and you have cylinder, gas, all of that. Every facility is available around of us. We have everything, and then we keep complaining. Just imagine if we just count our blessings in every single day. What don't we have? Everything. Even the people who don't have house, they have earth, they have mother earth. We have gravity. If there was no gravity, how would have we been walking here, sitting here, talking here, living like this? And look at the internet. We can speak to anybody, anytime, anywhere, as much as long we want, and it's so reasonable also, right? So it's so wonderful. I feel so blessed that everything is so infinitely given to us. Abundance, right? You don't have to do anything. Just align with everything that you want, all the energies that's available. Just align with it in higher consciousness, and it is yours. It is yours, right? क्या नहीं है यार अपने पास? We have everything and we keep thinking, oh, I miss this, I miss that, I miss that person, I miss that experience, I miss those memories. For the freak, what are you missing about? Because you're living in the concept of time. Time is a concept created by us just to survive. It's only necessary to catch a flight or catch a cab, right? Or just get into a meeting. That's it. You don't have to look for time for anything else in your life. You must understand you're not missing anything. You are exactly where you are supposed to be, with exactly the people you are with, and exactly having the experience, the life lessons that you need to learn. We as invisible beings, the soul, the entity, the force, the source within us, have signed this contract karmically to come here, descended as human beings, so that we can ascend in this body and learn life lessons and evolve and expand and teach and share. Together we grow. We have everything in our life. There is nothing that we are missing. And this video I just made to thank every one of you. Thank everything that I have, everything that I am, I was, I am, and I'm becoming, right? It's all every day. If you just imagine, we are blessed with infinite abundance, and the kind of love I get from people, from animals, from the planet, from everything, from the universe, from myself. You express it, you don't express it, you talk, you don't talk. Even the birds can't tell me, oh, I love you, I'm here for you, you want to talk to me. They don't tell me that, but I know they are with me. Even the water doesn't come and say, oh, I am here, you can use me, but I know it is for me, with me, by me, in me. So you understand, we are not missing out on anything. We don't need to attach certain kind of direction in life or expectation or experience. Just live what you have, accept, acknowledge, appreciate, and celebrate. Every day is a blessing in disguise. Just that we must learn to count our blessings and let go of everything what we didn't know better to acknowledge in the past, and not worry about the future, because it is always taken care of. So this is what I just want to connect and thank everyone, thank my life, thank the universe, and all celebrate and raise our vibrations in the very moment here and now. Before I say das Vidania, I send love and light to all of you, and keep thriving, keep thriving, keep thriving, because we are the best.